heart melt.
I want to see. I want to see. I want to see.
Just a second. Just a second. He'll show you.
What's Mia doing, Papa?
Playing with Max and the high chair.
Where's it going? We're going to tell. It's taking the cake.
That is an old high chair.
Yeah, that is the old
The
car.
old high chair. How long has it been around, Nana?
What?
Where's
What's
Nana?
Mia doing?
Where's she gone?
Put a hand on me. No. Put a hand up here.
Okay.
Be careful. And don't break it.
Okay.
Oh, do this. Put Max. What are you doing? Whoa. Sorry. Oh, it's taking the cake out.
Mm-hmm.
Taking the cake.
Now she's giving Max his lunch. That's a good girl, Mia.
It's lunchtime.
Mm-hmm.